How to copy an element from one page to another page on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. This is going to be for the default Wix, not Wix Studio. Even though it says Wix Studio on the top left, we're going to be using a default Wix editor and the default Wix site. So with that being said, you just want to open up the site editor and go to the element that you want to copy. It's going to be a very simple, process, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So once this opens up, you can just feel free to find an element, or I'm just going to actually go ahead and create one and make it as unique as possible, just so we can see how it's actually going to function. So I'm just going to add elements. I'm going to go to interactive, and I'm actually going to go ahead and get a box slideshow real quick, like this one. And we will adjust this a little bit more, and then we can just copy this and move it to another page and so on. Okay, so I've just changed things up a little bit here, and you can actually see the slides for yourself. The first one is this, and the second slide is this. And by the way, this is a slideshow, yes, but you can do the same thing for any other element. Basically, all you need to do is just go ahead and copy it by right-clicking on it. Or first, click on it with a left click, and once the menu opens up here at the top, you know that you actually have it selected. Right-click on it, and you will have the option to cut it, copy it, duplicate it, which is going to allow us to create another one in this exact same page, as you can see. And you can feel free to move it around and really just do whatever you want with it. But this is not our what we need here. What we need is actually go ahead and click on it, right click, and just make sure you copy it by clicking on copy or Control C. Now this is pretty much copied, and now we can just paste it into any other page, and it's that simple. So let's just go to pages, go to the page menu on the top left. This is going to allow us to change to different pages. And let's say just, I have plenty of test pages here. I'm just going to go for T3, for example. In T3, what you can do is just go ahead and create a section, and once you have your section, all you need to do is right click and click on paste, or you can just do Control V, and this is going to paste in the element here for you. Now the only thing that is not going to move with it is the background for the actual section, because we copied an element, we did not actually copy the entire section. This is the difference. So for example, let's say the section was, and you want it to be an exact replica, you can just go ahead and find the color of the section from the first page, which was also white, so I don't really need to check. And then you can just feel free to adjust this one accordingly. And by the way, if to add or edit the background for the section, you can just feel free to click on it and then click on change background here at the top, and you can just feel free to change the background for the section itself, as you can see here. So let's just go in and add something else real quick. For example, this one. Okay, so it's actually the same image. So anyways, so this is pretty much how to copy elements to another page. For example, we have this Victor art, which is made by the template. We can do the same exact thing for it. So let's just go ahead and copy it by doing Control C this time instead of, copying it. Or again, you can just right click and copy if you think that's easier for you, or even cut. Cut is actually going to remove it from this page, and it's going to be in your clipboard, so you can just paste it into any other page. And then we can just go for any other page here. And once this opens up, again, we can just go to any place and paste in by Control V, and we can just move it to wherever you actually want it to be, like we just did here. So hopefully this was very obvious to you, and exactly how to do it now. So any element, really, I really mean it. You can copy text, you can copy images, you can copy Victor art, slideshows, whatever it may be. Now here's the thing. We can also do we can actually take this a step further. Let's just go to the home page. Or actually, let's not go to the home page. Let's just go to T1 here, from the example 1 section. So in T1 here, let's say you have plenty of elements in T1 that you actually wanted to move over or copy to another page. Let's say actually you want to copy this entire page and create a new page with the same style. you can actually go ahead and copy the entire page instead of it being an element at a time. So for example, if you want to copy this entire page, we can very easily do it and paste it into another page and just adjust a few elements, for example, text and stuff. So this is doable, and let's just go in and show you exactly how to do that. You basically just want to go to Pages and Menu on the left panel. Find the page that you want to copy. So right now it's in example 1, T1. Right click, not right click, click on the three dots right next to it. Click on copy here. And once you click on copy, you can actually go ahead and click on any page. Let's just go down here. Let's just go to example 2. Right click anywhere really and just click on paste. And once you click on paste, it's actually going to be created here for you. This is going to say copy of T1. Let's just name it something like test T1. Click on done. And now we have an exact duplicate of the page that we had. And now we can just feel free to change whatever we want in this page, with that the first one is remaining the same. And we can just feel free to click on save on the top right, and we're pretty much done. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.